So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Monday 16th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we've seen price come towards this 1277, from which we've encountered resistance, seen prices fall back below the 1252. We've had a gap down in the market, retested 1252, seen a rejection, and we do seem poised for, based on how prices have developed over the past couple of hours, do seem poised for lower prices. So if we do see this fall through to the downside, we are looking for prices to head towards this 1215. If we do find support at 1215, we're looking for a move back up towards that 1252, successful break from which we're then looking for a move up towards that 1277. And if we do see a break, if we do see prices trade beyond the 1277, the very next level of note is of course 1304. Beyond 1277, the very next level of note is 1304 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. If however we do fail to hold support around 1215, it is quite a long way towards the very next level of horizontal support. So a breakdown from 1215, possibly looking for a move down towards 1160, and which I'd expect to be the far end of the range to the downside here, unless we do have quite a bit of volatility here on the US dollar against the Japanese yen. What we'll do now is we'll have a look at the higher time frames to see how prices are developing. So first we have a look here at the monthly chart on the US dollar Japanese yen. Get the scale line here correct, and as you can see here on this monthly chart, we do look rather bullish based on how prices have developed over the past couple of months. We have had a bearish pin bar, pretty large, very large candle, posting another pin bar, and over the past month we've had a very strong bullish candle. So far in July we've had strong momentum to the upside again, trading near the candle, near the month's highs. So again, if we can successfully hold on to the 112, we're possibly looking for moves up towards the 113s and the 114s here on the US against the Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the weekly chart to see how prices are developing. And on this weekly chart, we can see here we trade all the way down towards, I think it was 104s actually. We did trade quite low into the 100s here on the US against Japanese yen. Had this move to the upside, brief consolidation, formed a bit of a flag, had a breakout last week actually. Very strong move last week, very large candle, breaking above the previous highs. We are having a bit of a pullback at present, so if we do see a bit of a bull flag again form, looking for continuation towards the 113s and the 114s here on the US against Japanese yen, from which we could see a move up towards it. Again, we did say 113, 114s, so I should mention the 200 period moving average here on the weekly chart, which currently sits in around at 113.24. So in around 113.24, we do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average here on the weekly chart, and from here we are looking at the daily chart. So on the daily chart, we can again see we've had posted a series of higher lows, encountered some resistance in around this 111, brief pullback from this 400 period moving average before seeing this breakout candle, and we've seen that momentum fall through to the upside here on the daily chart. Posted a rather bearish candle after testing that 112.77, near pretty much a perfect test of the 12.77. Posted a bearish candle, had a gap down in the market, had higher prices rejected around at 12.52. We are still seeing some bullishness in the market, so we'll see whether 12.15 holds, or we will see that deeper retracement, form a bit of a bull flag, and see continuation towards possibly that 13.56 or even beyond. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.